Alrighty, this is my final video of Unit 2 for Network Security. Essentially the same things as the past one, but this one I actually had some difficulties with. I had some difficulties getting Linux to properly work on my computer, and I wasn't quite understanding how to use it. I personally struggle with operating systems from the command prompt board, whatever it's called. I think it's the command prompt, but I managed to get it figured out, and I took a couple of notes, so I'm just going to go over it. Bit of background: considerably more lightweight than other operating systems, and it powers things like car entertainment, point of sales at checkout tills, and apparently traffic light controllers, which is crazy to think, because personally I thought those were battery powered. I didn't even think they ran on an operating system. Okay. Then we had to pull it up on a virtual environment. I will start that up, I guess. Okay. No, wrong button. Okay. So I did have a hard time with this, and I do apologize about my audio. You can really hear me typing and interacting with my laptop over my mic. I do not have a good mic, as y'all have probably heard already. So it's already running up. We open up the machine, and we are working with it. So we run our first few commands once it opens. They want us to learn echo and the who am I for username. There we go. So we're going to do echo hello, and it echoes it, and then who am I to get the try hack me username. Now we have to interact with the file system, which originally took me a really long time to properly figure out. At first I thought that was an I and not an L, and then I read right here. So ls to get our listing. That clicked in. Gives us 4 different folders. So because I already know this, I know I have to go into folder 4. The other folders do not hold anything. Then we list again to find the note.txt file. And if we cat the note.txt, cat is oh my goodness, my words. The cat is to concatenate, which just kind of exposes what's in the file. And in this case, it's a text file. That's a hello world. Then we can power directory, print working directory to get exactly where this is. It will then show us how to search for files. So then we can do find. I found it. Oh my goodness. I found if I just type cd blank, it brings us back to the original. Then we can do find dash name. We can find our text file, which we know is note.txt, and it shows us that it's in folder 4. We can also just do find dash name, and then if we're looking for specific types of files, we can type their file type and show that there's one in there in number 4. So I actually had a lot of time struggling with the grep because the WC, I could not get it to work. Did not want to work for me. And the grep IP address also did not really want to work for me. It was not working at all. I was having a really hard time with it, and I did have to use the hint to tell me what exactly to look up. And if we show in here, I would love it to show in here. There we go. Grep THM. We get our access code that we were needing up here. Then it introduced us to shell operators and how to use ampersand, double ampersand, greater than, and double greater than, which we go over in here. We actually don't need the machine anymore. And it just kind of shows us the different examples and then wants us to run the theoretical, which you can read right here if you take a pause. Yeah, so this one was really difficult for me. I did not have fun with this assignment, actually. But it is what it is, and it's complete. Have a nice day.